Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change background color in Google Docs. I'm going to show you two ways. The first one is going to be working for every page. Even if you create new page, it's going to be the color you set. Or the other way is if you want to set only one specific page with different color, that's going to be second way. So let's start. The first way is very simple. You just have to go to File over here in the top left, Page Setup. Now in the page setup, you want to change this page color to the color you want to use. So let's say we can do this pale azure. I'm gonna select it, click on OK, and now you can see we have this blue color on every page. Even if I start a new page, it's going to be set with the blue color. But now let's say if we would like to add only for one page the specific color, you have to do it by the drawing method. So go to Insert, Drawing, New. Here you want to draw a rectangle. So click on Shapes. You want to draw some rectangle. And as an infill color, you can change it over here. So we can do now, for example, this yellow one. I'm gonna click on Save and Close. Once you have this on your page, you want to click on it and click on behind the text. All right, so make sure to select behind the text, and where it says move with text, you want to select fixed position on page. So then you can freely move the rectangle and you can resize it however you want. So let's say if you want to add this only on the first page, I can drag it over here. I can make it larger, drag it by the corners or the sides. And now we have the first page with the yellow color. If you want to move this, let's say, to the second page, you can do it again. So I'm gonna drag it over here. I'm gonna again resize it. And this is it basically. This is how you can change background color in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.